In today's episode, we're going to talk about Twitch, our channel specifically. How does Twitch work? What are bits? What are gifted subs? All that stuff right now on the Biz Talk. I have a Twitch, Tracy, and it's because you're next to me. You need to get out. You're fired. What if you actually got up and got away? It just peeled. It's always the car peeling out.
Always, but hitting your cars on the way out.
You have to hit our cars.
Of course.
Jorge's being the first. You got to take his car out first.
That's a given.
That's given. Perfect.
I'm going to do it even without quitting.
Do it, Trace.
Do it.
Okay.
All that just hurt my head, by the way. Bits and emotes and
Bits, emotes, subscriptions, when I do shout outs. What the hell does all this mean? Okay. We're going to break this down for you so that you can get a basic explanation. First of all, what is Twitch? Okay. Twitch is traditionally, Trace, it was a gaming platform. Streamers, right?
Yep.
So you go there to watch your favorite whatever video game you like. Kids would go and they would watch these other kids live stream them playing video games.
Yep.
And they were typically like really good at them. So you'd watch, what are they doing? And it's like watching a sports event, honestly.
it's kind of relaxing, actually. I've watched a couple. But when you came and you're like, let's Twitch, I'm like,
What
I'm
the
going to
hell?
play video games.
Yeah.
Sweet.
You're all awesome. This is great.
Best job ever.
Best job ever. So really, it has evolved into more than just video games. So now it's a platform where people, companies, individuals can stream their interests. So for example, you can live stream video games, right? There are DJs that live stream them playing music and DJing.
So cool.
Which is awesome.
Yeah, some of them are
Amazing.
things you would not ever get to see without it.
Exactly. There are people live streaming like fitness. So they have like fitness shows. They live stream. They answer your questions. Now, the thing with Twitch is the sort of highlight of Twitch is the interaction with the chat, right? Mm-hmm. So it is it's a platform known for interacting with the chat. Okay. Like that is kind of the highlight of Twitch. When you come on Twitch, the focus of whoever is on Twitch is going to be on the chat, which is not so typical with other platforms. Like for example, if you live stream on Instagram or TikTok, it's just too hard. It's like
you're trying to do nails and do this and talk at the same time, and you can't read every single question.
It's way more friendly on Twitch, and it's kind of known to be that also. So there's just a higher interaction with the chat on Twitch. Okay, so that's kind of the first thing that you really need to understand. Is like, okay, if I go on Twitch, they're looking at the chat, they're interacting on purpose with the chat. Like that's kind of the game on Twitch is let's interact with the chat. It's very interactive.
Which
like
is
that's
so
kind
much
of thing.
fun. Like
so much fun.
I love our Twitch. I think it not only does that we get to interact with people, we get to have more of our personality because we're just talking with people.
We're just chilling.
Like if we're doing this right now, we'd be looking at your chat.
Exactly.
And just talking with you.
Exactly. Instead, it's, we record this video and then there's comments later and it's not the same thing.
Yeah.
So here's the deal. When you go on to Twitch, you create an account and then you can follow our account. And then when we go live, you're in the chat.
You get a notice, right? Like
yes,
if you follow.
If you follow.
You get a notice.
You exactly. Like we actually see everybody that follows and you'll know who you're following. It actually shows you when you log into your account, like, are they live right now or not? Or it shows you right there on the front page, like the home page of Twitch, who you're following. And so if we're live streaming and you come on to our live stream, you're going to get, if you just follow us, you're going to get ads. Okay.
Yeah.
And it's frustrating.
It's so annoying. Because I didn't follow us for a long time. I only followed for a long time and I got ads. And
you got ads.
And it was so annoying.
Yes. So that's where subscriptions come into place. Okay. So.
And that's not anything we control.
Nope, it's not anything that. This is Twitch.
It's not us trying
It's
to
not
make
us.
you do
No.
anything.
This is the setup. So if you want to go ad free, you subscribe to the channel, and I think it's $5 a month. Okay. And Twitch gets half of that. Our brand gets the other half. And then what that does is it opens up a bunch of options. First of all, no more ads. Okay. So if you watch us regularly, it's worth it,
Yeah.
right? It's
Well
going to be
worth
worth it.
Yeah.
Because we're streaming an hour and a half to 2 hours each live stream 3 times a week. That's a lot of time, and you want to not be interrupted. It's going to be a pain in the butt. The second thing it does is if you subscribe to the channel, you get access to what are called emotes. Now, what the hell is an emote?
I thought that was a made up word. Ramon said that. I'm like, you mean emojis?
Yeah. Right. Oh wait, is it emojis or is it no?
It's emotes.
It's
but
emotes.
but
My
that's,
God.
I thought he was trying to say emojis.
Yes.
I'm like,
Well,
what's an emote?
What's funny is like that has different like meanings in different platforms. So like on Fortnite, when you have an emote, it's a specific like dance or movement. So like when you're playing the game, you can emote in the middle of the game, and then you buy different emotes, and then you do different moves depending on what it is.
Okay.
So one
It's
can
like
be
a command.
It's a command, right?
Okay.
So like I can make, the donkey laugh is the like popular one where if you kill somebody, you can then emote this, and it does this
Kill
donkey laugh.
someone, have the donkey laugh. Makes sense.
It's so annoying when somebody does that emote on you. You're like, oh, I'm going to kill them. But it's like, it's
and
part
then
of the
make
fun.
the donkey laugh.
So in Twitch, the emote is you get access to custom emotes only available to like this subscription, right? If you subscribe to the channel.
Your followers.
Wait, what do you mean your followers?
So it would be custom emotes for your followers.
For subscribers.
Yes. Yes. So
Subscribers.
I mean, but those are not emotes they could actually go on and use on a different channel, right? It's custom to you.
Those ones are custom to our channel. Correct. So but you have to be subscribed to access them. Otherwise, you have access as a follower to just these general emotes.
Across the board. Okay.
Exactly. So as a subscriber, you have access to these custom emotes that are fun. Some are of Tracy, some are of me, some are of Greg, and they're hilarious. They're super, super fun to engage with. So that's the other thing.
I think we got Greg as a Jedi, you in a lotion basket.
I'm in a lotion basket. Yours a chef Tracy.
Which is, if you know me,
Exactly.
doesn't make any sense.
And there's at different times people will start to use them. It's like at the beginning of the stream, people are dropping the lotion basket emote because the song is playing before the stream starts. So those are the things that are going on, right? Now, let me break this down, okay? Subscriptions can happen at different tiers. So there's a tier 1, there's a tier 2, and there's a tier 3. So the most basic form of subscription is a tier 1 subscription, which is like $5 a month. Tier 2 is $9.99 a month, $10. Tier 3 is $24.99 a month. So you're paying $25. Now, let me break down what those differences include. First of all, there's different level. For the different levels, there are different emotes that you have access to. So custom emotes for each level.
Got it.
But the biggest thing that it does is that you can earn what are called channel points at different rates. Okay, so let's hit the pause button.
What's a channel point?
What's a channel point? So let me explain this so you understand what channel points are, and then we'll go back to the tiers and talk about it. Channel points are exactly how they sound. They are points that you earn on our channel, right? Our Young Nails Inc. Twitch channel, just for being present. So, for example, Trace, you follow us.
Yep.
Okay. Just a follow, not even a subscription. If you follow us and then you watch our live stream, the whole time that you watch our live stream, you are earning points. They're called channel points throughout the stream. The more points, so as you accrue channel points, you can actually redeem them for things. For example, you can redeem them. Like if you want to highlight your comment in the chat, if you want to be sure that your comment is addressed, if you have a nail question, you can highlight it and redeem 500 channel points so that we see it and answer your question live on the stream right there, which people do every stream. It's very valuable. Mm-hmm. The other thing is you can do what's called a nail critique. So if you really want Tracey or Greg, if he's on the stream, to analyze your nails, you can take pictures of your nails. We ask that you do it from different angles. And then I think it's 5,000 channel points, which doesn't take that long to accrue. And you can redeem it, upload your pictures onto Discord. And from there, you'll get a full analysis of your nails. Okay. For 10,000 channel points, you can redeem a glitter. You redeem a glitter, and Tracey will mix your glitter live right there on the stream in front of everybody, and then we will send it to you at no cost to you.
They give an inspo, whatever it is, or color combo, or whatever. We've gotten some weird inspo pictures.
Absolutely. Doesn't matter, right?
It's fun.
Tracey will mix it live on stream and we'll send it to you. So those are channel points. And now let's go back to what's it called?
The tiers.
The tiers. So like if you're a follower, you earn channel points, right? You're going to earn these points that you can redeem for all these prizes, let's say. If you're a subscriber, you earn channel points faster at a higher rate than you would as just a follower. So there's some really good value there. Right. If you're a tier 2, you earn them even faster. And if you're a tier 3, this is where the real value comes in for that $24.99 a month. If you're a tier 3 subscriber, you earned it at 2 times the rate as just a follower. So it's a lot. You really, really do earn them at a higher rate. And then there's other redemptions. You can redeem a $25 gift card. You can redeem merch. There's actual real prizes you can redeem.
We have a biggie, right? We have the grand prize.
The one-on-one with Tracey or Greg, Zoom instructional, one-on-one, which you cannot buy that on its own normally. So
yeah, we don't
sell that. That's not for sale. You can only get it if you are on Twitch and you redeem it. So that's sort of the overall structure of Twitch.
Is there a way to become a subscriber for free?
Yes, there is. Thank you, Tracey.
You're welcome.
As a matter of fact, there is. If you are a Amazon Prime member, you can subscribe to the channel for free. We're going to put a link below in the description. Click on this link that'll take you to a video of how to do that so that you're going to earn channel points at a faster rate. You're going to get access to custom emotes. Good old Jeff Bezos is going to pay for it. Okay? So great question.
You give him enough money, let him pay for this.
Let him pay for this. Exactly. Now, there are a few things that we do on the channel. So this kind of breaks down the overall structure, but you'll hear me also do what's called like shout outs during the course of a stream. Mm-hmm. And what I'm doing is I'm giving shout outs to people and thanking them because they're donating to the channel. At different parts of the stream, people are just donating money to the channel. All that money that's donated, we reinvest back in the channel. We do it by giving away, all these channel points. You can redeem a $25 gift card. Think about that. You just come on, $25 gift card you can get just by hanging out or being a subscriber. You're going to earn that. You're going to earn it back way more times over. And we can do that because of all these donations that we get from you guys. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm shouting out your name to thank you. Now, how do you donate to the channel? You can do it by donating what are called bits.
This one threw me because I remember the first time someone's like, "What's a bit?" And I'm like, getting the bit box out. I'm like, "What's a bit?"
What bits?
It goes in the electric file.
Yeah, exactly.
You're like, "No, Tracey."
Bits is the currency. So each bit is worth a penny. So you can purchase, let's say, $10, and that's 1,000 bits. And then you can donate to the channel. I want to donate 20 bits right now. At any point during the stream, you can just donate to the channel bits. And so I'm doing shout outs for those people that are donating bits. Also, any point during the stream, you can subscribe to the channel, and I'm shouting those people out too, because they're basically, by subscribing, they're paying $5 a month. It's very nice, and I want to give them a shout out. And then what you can also do is you can purchase subscriptions and you can give them to people.
Which, man, so
very kind.
So kind of everybody.
People do this every stream. They're gifting subs. And so what happens is they'll buy subscriptions. They're called gifted subscriptions. And Twitch will randomly assign them to people, gifted subs. Or you can gift someone specific. If you see somebody in the chat and you're like, yo, I like this person, I want to gift them a sub, you're basically buying them 1 month free subscription.
Very cool.
So that's what gifted subs are. And I think that's everything.
I have one question, though, because we get
Sure.
asked, what's a hype train?
Thank you. A hype train is basically, during the course of the stream, they start donating to the channel. So like somebody will donate 50 bits, 20 bits, 1 bit, 1,000 bits. You know, somebody's like, I want to donate 5 gifted subscriptions. And if that happens quick in a row, a hype train starts. A hype train is basically just Twitch recognizes that there's all these subscriptions. So it basically turns on this meter and measures all of the donations, and there's different levels. So it starts at, if you keep donating to the channel, you're going to pass level 1 hype train, and then it goes to level 2. And if you keep donating to the channel, the bar, you see it fill up, boom, it's going to go to level 3. We've gotten to like level 8 before.
Which is crazy.
Totally insane. I think somebody donated like 200 subs one time.
Yeah.
Incredible. And it went all the way to like level 6 immediately. It just gets crazy. It just gets everybody hyped up. Like, okay, it's a way for you to get people excited about donating to the channel. Okay, the hype train started, guys. Let's go. Let's see if we can reach level 2. We don't really do that.
No,
I don't ever want to force anybody. We shout them out.
Very thankful.
Very thankful.
I actually, correct me if I'm wrong. Does this not unlock special emotes too?
It does. So every time if we hit certain levels on hype trains, it'll unlock emotes to the channel, which is awesome. So there's an actual there's a prize.
Fun.
So different
I just
ones.
look at it as it's kind of cool when you start watching that bar and everybody's
Absolutely.
getting excited. It's fun.
It's fun, and that's what it's meant to do. So that's what a hype train is. That is the overall explanation. Is there more questions?
I got one more.
Sure.
My favorite.
Absolutely.
Bonus points.
Bonus points.
Bonus points.
So channel points. Okay, let me just you earn channel points by just being a follower and watching the stream. So as long as you're on the channel and you're watching the stream, you're earning the channel points, right? These are the points I described earlier, where you can use them to purchase prizes, redeem them for prizes. Now, there's going to be moments during the stream where you'll see at the bottom of the chat, there's a little symbol. It looks like a drawer almost.
Yeah. It
kind of
looks like an envelope to me, but something like that.
Envelope. Even better. It looks like a little envelope and it turns green. And when it turns green, you got to touch it. Or if you're on a computer, you click it and it gives you these bonus points. They're channel points.
Got to click it to get them.
You got to click it to get them.
My favorite part.
Yes. And every time Tracey sees it, she shouts it out. You'll
bonus points.
Hear her say bonus points. Doesn't matter what's going on. Bonus points.
Mid-sentence. It doesn't matter.
And that adds, I think, 50.
60 of
60?
online. Yeah.
Oh, you're at a higher level.
Maybe.
So mine does 50 at a time. Yours does 60.
I'm just better.
You're just not better. But that's what that is. It's just you're earning channel points, and then it'll throw a bonus on top if you click it while it's green. So watch out for that in the chat while that's going on. So all in all, that is your Twitch education. I hope that helps, and I hope you also join us on our live stream. Tracey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you next time on the Biz Talk.
Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel